Hey there, smart money managers. Are you using PocketGuard to keep track of your finances, but finding that the preset categories don't quite fit your unique spending habits? Maybe groceries doesn't feel specific enough, or you want to separate your streaming subscriptions from other entertainment costs. If you've ever wondered, can I customize the categories in PocketGuard? You're in the right place. The short answer is, sort of. And there's a really good reason for it. Let's break it down. PocketGuard is designed to be as automatic and effortless as possible. It uses powerful algorithms to analyze your transactions and categorize them for you. This is one of its biggest strengths. It saves you from the manual work of sorting every single purchase. Because of this automation, the app uses a standardized set of categories. This helps the algorithms work efficiently and keeps the data consistent across all users. It's how the app can give you those quick, insightful overviews of your spending. Now, I know that can be frustrating when you have a specific category in mind. For example, maybe you want to have a separate category for dog food versus human food. Or you want to track lattes as a specific vice. So, while you can't create entirely new, custom-named categories from scratch, you do have some excellent workarounds that give you a lot of control. First, you can always change the category of any individual transaction. If PocketGuard miscategorized your coffee shop visit as restaurant, you can simply tap on that transaction and change it to coffee. This is a quick and easy way to correct things and get a more accurate picture of your spending. Second, and this is a big one, you can use subcategories. This is where you get to add a lot of detail and truly customize your tracking. Within a main category like shopping, you can add a subcategory for clothes, home goods, or gifts. This allows you to drill down into the specifics without disrupting the core structure of the app. It's the best of both worlds. You get the automated simplicity of the main categories and the personal detail of your own custom subcategories. To add a subcategory, just tap on the main category you want to edit, and you'll see the option to add a new subcategory name. It's that simple. So, while you can't name a new top-level category, you can definitely tailor your budget to your lifestyle using subcategories. This keeps the app smart and automatic while still giving you the power to be precise. What are some of the subcategories you've created to better track your spending? Share them in the comments below. And if you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on making your money work for you. See you next time.